차에서 내리는 한 여자. 그녀는 한 거대 기업의 기밀 프로젝트의 자문위원으로 온 것이었는데
Use today to take a closer.
Of course. I also hope to see Morgan today.
Be cautious, Miss Weathers.
I'm Amy. The behaviorist. I'm just in the middle of getting settled.
I'll get out of your hair.
Ever need anything from me? Don't hesitate to ask.
직원들을 차갑게 대하는 리.
Well, hey there.
You're Skip.
I'm from corporate. Well, I am the nutritionist and general kitchen monk. Beer, maybe protein.
I'm good, thank you. You hunt?
Yeah, we're farm fresh around here.
Well, Dr. Ziegler's just finishing up. I thought we might pop in on Kathy.
Nice to meet you.
This is Lee Weathers from corporate.
Dr. Finch.
I'm up for anything.
I'd like to speak with her in private.
We'll be right outside.
How are you feeling?
Worse than I feel. This wasn't Morgan's fault. My fault, really. I confused her.
Morgan's not a she. It's an it.
Wrong about that. She's smarter than any of us.
Nothing here is a foregone conclusion.
You're a liar.
이곳 사람들도 리를 좋게 생각하지만은 않았죠.
Please. Relatively simple half. Half is where it gets a little more tricky. Morgan was our third attempt. Internal features externally. After 2 years, our little breakthrough. Her intelligence grew steadily. She was exactly what we intended.
모건이라는 인조인간을 만들어낸 사람들.
Its first birthday.
Special day.
I prefer your time with her now be brief.
What's with the music?
And finds it relaxing. Morgan, to shut the music down?
Hello, Morgan.
Hello, Lee.
You know who I am?
You're Lee Weathers, management consultant at Synsec in light of recent events.
That's right.
I made a mistake.
It's all right.
We're good.
Get a good night's sleep, Morgan.
Nice to meet you, Lee.
You're not even gonna say it? That you're impressed?
Is that what you need me to say?
한편 모건은 과거 숲에 갔던 기억을 떠올리고
Morgan, so proud of you. Because you're learning how to be yourself. And that's the most important thing.
It was delicious.
Thanks.
Dr. Chen, may I present Miss Weathers?
Pleasure to finally meet you.
So glad you could join us.
你在喝星期，
Not until after. I'm sure it was very difficult for you.
本来我们的项目组有30人，不到1个小时，只能9人。
Well, we're crude prototypes.
There was an incident in the wood. We took Morgan beyond the property line, compromised the entire project. That was my excuse. But the truth? You know what you must do.
Ice cream soda pop vanilla on the top.
모건의 파일을 분석하는 리.
Uh-oh. You on? Working late? I get you a drink.
Please. Darren and Brenda, did they pair up early?
Pretty early, I guess. Tired of chasing after Amy.
You too.
No, not really.
Probably I'm just trying to figure out how things work around here. How's she doing?
A little unsettled tonight.
에이미는 카메라를 끄고 모건에게 다가가죠.
Morgan?
Feel about Morgan?
Honestly, things always give me the creep.
You're the only one I've heard say that.
I'm just a little jealous.
Jealous?
Maybe.
Why?
Made a perfect risotto.
갑자기 리에게 키스를 하는 스킵.
Yeah, got it.
Have a good night, Skip.
All right.
니값 제대로네요.
You'll do fine. Just be yourself. Yes, me again about the lake.
I'm going to take a beautiful lake. And if we're quiet, it's our own paradise.
모건은 에이미와 가장 깊은 유대감을 쌓고 있었는데 모건에겐 급발진하는 폭력성이 내재되어 있었죠.
They say I can't be there for the second Lee. I didn't clear for us.
This is Lee Weathers.
Glad to see you finally arrived.
Saya, I
I've apologized.
Okay, let's get started then.
그렇게 모건의 정신평가가 시작되고
You want me to sit here?
In light of recent events.
Laser beams out of its eyes or something?
Urgent precognition. You don't understand.
You need me sitting on the other side of the glass from this thing. I already failed the psych evaluation. Good. Hello, Morgan.
Hello, Dr. Shapiro.
You know my name.
Yes.
You know why I'm here?
Yes.
Great. Dive right in.
Yes.
Be yourself. I was reading in the report that you've been feeling. You feeling a little sad, Morgan?
Yes. Sad about Kathy. Kathy in the eye. I shouldn't have done it.
What makes you laugh, Morgan?
I don't have a very good sense of humor.
That's okay.
I was meant to go to the lake with Amy.
Okay.
You're a father, aren't you? You have a 13-year-old daughter. You don't get to see her much anymore.
갑자기 돌발 발언을 하는 모건.
So what am I missing?
I'm a child.
What if I recommended be allowed to leave this room?
I don't know. It's a hypothetical.
Come on, you don't know?
I don't know.
No right or wrong answer.
I know.
What would you do?
박사는 일부러 모건을 몰아붙이죠.
Show me how you feel.
결국 박사를 해치고만 모건.
Morgan, buddy.
연구 직원도 공격당하는데
Morgan.
도망치는 모건.
Morgan?
그때 모건에게 마취제를 발사하는 리.
Baby. What happened? Darren, did I hurt him?
No, I'm okay, buddy.
I didn't mean to do it.
No.
We have decided on a plan of action that is best for you.
Best for me.
What are we doing?
I'm sorry, Doctor. There's no other work to be done here.
Our lives invested in this.
We found son. Amy! Amy!
It is time to go to sleep, Morgan.
절망감에 빠진 총괄 박사.
Simon, I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna do it.
직원들은 끝내 모건을 죽이지 못하죠.
I can't let you do this.
Get out of my way, Ted.
Sorry, but no.
그때 오히려 리가 제압당해버리고
Lee.
적반하장으로 리를 가둬버린 연구소 직원들.
Let me out now. They're gonna be here.
Of course. Get some rest now. How close are we?
Brender's bringing the minivan around and clearing out the office.
Nothing. Go back to bed.
What happened?
Just go back to bed.
I need to sit her up.
You're going on a little trip here. Okay.
그때 모건이 다시 폭력성을 보이고
Morgan, no!
결국 사망하는 직원.
You're not well, Morgan.
이 남자도 총에 맞죠.
Where are you going?
Hello, Lee.
Open the door.
You wanted to kill me, except for Amy.
I need help, Morgan.
I need your help.
Why don't you come inside?
So much we have to talk about.
Morgan!
에이미와 나오는 모건.
Amy!
Don't go in there, okay?
No, what?
We gotta leave. Where's Darren? Easy.
Sorry, buddy.
돌변한 모건에 겁에 질린 에이미.
Get in the car.
This is Dr. Liu Cheng. It pains me to report an active schedule psychological evaluation.
Morgan?
리는 탈출에 성공하고
Hey! Listen, you can't go in there.
This is what I do, Skip. Go get your rifle.
Information of program collapse.
Mother. Don't be at that.
What about
스스로 목숨을 끊은 박사. 총괄 박사도 모건에게 죽임을 당하죠.
Hey, get out of the car.
리를 공격하는 모건.
Move now.
모건은 에이미와 함께 도망치죠. 리가 바로 그녀를 추격하고 다시 추격을 이어나가는 리.
I'm not gonna hurt you, Amy. You'll see.
Pull over here. Too close. Get back in the car.
Is this what heaven's like? I don't know.
그때 총알이 발사되고
Morgan.
엄청난 속도로 리를 공격하는 모건. 결국 리는 치명상을 입고 말죠.
What happened? We go. No, Morgan. You have to stop.
그때 리가 다시 나타나고 마침내 모건을 제압하는 리. 그런데 리는 에이미를 살해하죠.
Morgan's dead? What happened to Amy? Just wait a second, Lee.
스킵까지 살해하는 리.
She did very well, even when the situation was.
사실 이 모든 게 리의 계획이었죠.
Well, I guess the old dogs.
She's perfect.
그리고 리가 원조 인조인간임을 알려주며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 모건이었습니다. 먼 미래의 지구. 죽은 인간의 뇌를 이용해 로봇의 몸에 이식하는 사이보그 기술이 개발되고 눈을 뜨는 첫 번째 사이보그 메이저.
It's okay. Just breathe. What? I'm drowning. That's right. You were on a boat, G-boat, by terrorists. We made you a new body.
Will it work?
Absolutely.
All patrolling area, possible cybercrime activity.
This is Major. I'm on site.
메이저는 어느덧 특수요원으로 성장해 테러 집단 소탕 작전에 투입되죠.
Someone contact the president's staff. Who's watching him?
Excuse me, I think you have the wrong.
테러범들이 도착하고
I'm going in.
주요 인사들의 뇌를 해킹하는 테러 집단. 그리고 메이저가 나타나 이들을 화끈하게 때려잡죠.
Who sent you?
Collaborate with Henko Robotics and be destroyed.
의문의 말을 남긴 테러범.
You okay? Hey.
So what do we have on Osmond?
He was the head of Hanker's robotics division. Human, but of course cyber enhanced.
More information about the Seas Geisha bot?
Hanker's running scans.
Collaborate with Henko Robotics.
그의 정체는 무엇일까요?
I had to, or more would have died. I will find him. I will kill him. It's what I am built for.
お前はただの武器じゃ、お前には魂ゴーストがある。
한편 메이저는 과거의 기억을 모두 잊어버린 상태였는데
I had you down as more of a cat person.
Fragments, bits and pieces.
What about family?
My parents, they died bringing us to this country. I almost drowned.
헛것이 보이는 메이저.
Welcome to Hanka Robotics. You have damaged internal. Next time you can design me better.
Was a Hanka companion bot.
Was reprogrammed for cerebral hacking.
What was on her drives? Nothing. The data was destroyed. No sign what she was after. It's too dangerous.
Are you sure?
메이저는 자신이 직접 테러범의 기계를 해킹하기로 하죠.
I know where he is.
남자의 위치를 알아낸 메이저.
Don't worry, sweetie. Major, I'm in position. Do you copy?
메이저는 이미 붙잡혔고
Major, come on.
바토도 위기에 처하는데
Back on comms. I'm heading to the back room.
I missed you. I'll meet you there.
또 헛것을 보는 메이저.
Hanka Robotics and be destroyed.
그때 시한폭탄이 터지죠.
Resbato.
You took most of the...
I can see you out there, you know.
How many fingers am I holding?
Funny. Say something nice.
You chose those?
They're tactical.
한편 메이저를 만든 회사 한칸은 으름장을 놓고
Major is the future of my company. Compromise her systems. I will burn this section.
私はハンカではなく従うまでです
그와 대립하는 메이저의 상관. 그때 누군가 한카의 기술자에게 접근하고
Look at me.
결국 그녀는 사망하죠.
It feels weird driving with these eyes.
Major, Bato, you need to get here.
It's a list of everyone who worked on a... Find you, Lay. Now.
박사가 다음 목표물이었고 놈을 추격하는 메이저. 그렇게 메이저는 놈을 잡는 데 성공하죠.
Where's Kuze?
We need him alive.
You have the wrong guy. Picking up my daughter, she takes violin lessons.
You don't have a child. It's just you.
What? No. I'm not lying!
The hack must have created a vacuum and somehow installed a new reality.
At least you got to believe you had a kid.
남자는 쿠제에게 해킹당한 상태였고
It's him.
Signal is unstable. Can you get a lockup?
Come here.
Tell me who you are.
I have been born more than once.
I'll find you.
Not yet.
We gotta fix.
쿠제의 위치를 알아내죠.
Weapons up. Major.
Using human minds to create a network of his own.
알고 보니 인간들의 뇌를 해킹해왔던 쿠제. 그때 메이저를 향한 공격이 시작되고 쿠제에게 붙잡힌 메이저.
Tell me who you are.
Kuze.
What are you doing to me?
When I'm finished in this, a ghost can survive there and...
쿠제도 메이저 같은 사이보그였죠.
We are the same.
Our project did two fire failed, and they had to move on. What a beauty you are.
You're a murderer.
It is.
What is that?
I can't remember, but I am haunted. Do you see it? Take the medication that they give you. They use it to suppress your memories.
Get away from her! Get down on the ground now! Major! Major!
메이저는 박사를 찾아가고
Amira, God, he's safe. How many were there before me? How many?
Dozens.
How many?
98.
You killed 98 innocent.
No, I didn't. You wouldn't be here and exist if you.
Where did the bodies come from?
My parents, the way they died.
Did that happen?
No. You false memories. Carter wanted to motivate my terrorists. I didn't approve.
Nothing I have is real.
모든 사실을 알게 된 메이저.
Just need a word on Major.
야, 연락가 도령.
그런데 메이저의 절친 바토가 그녀를 찾아내죠.
I didn't ask you to come here.
Never ask, always do. Why didn't you stop him?
I don't know who to trust anymore.
You trust me, right?
Yeah, I do.
Dr. Lay. She knows.
그때 메이저를 잡으러 온 군인들.
We have the major.
It's time to move on to the next iteration.
What?
You'll build one that's better.
한 칸은 박사에게 메이저를 제거하라 시키고
What are you doing to me?
Find out exactly what Kusa told you.
You know what he told me. You're killing me. Mira,
메이저를 풀어주려는 박사.
this is your past, your real past.
Go!
박사는 사망하고
This goes public, your unit goes down.
싸우 걸어서봐. 어려운 와루.
자신이 살았다는 집에 온 메이저.
Hey, hey.
Pumpkin! Oh, you surprised me. 내가 come in. That's Motoko's room. Daughter died a year ago.
I'm sorry.
It was difficult. We fought.
What happened to her?
Don't know. Ministry sent me. They told me she had Motoko. You remind me of her.
메이저는 이 여자가 엄마임을 직감하죠.
Who are you?
I don't know. Romagi, listen to me. My parents, they installed in my mind. And there were others considered disposable. Kuze was one of them. Where he's coming.
쇼메이길까?
Dr. Ule can.
올해가 신다.
Put me on the grid. I need Kuze to find me.
갔다 뭐 미치가리.
호락호락하지 않은 상관.
Is the spider tank with it?
메이저는 마침내 헛것의 실체를 확인하죠. 가출 청소년들을 잡아다가 사이보그 실험을 강행했던 한카.
It is real. This place.
I remember what they did to all of us runaways. We had nothing except each other. Your name was Hideo.
Motoko, come with me into my network.
그때 두 사람을 향한 공격이 시작되고
I'll take control from here.
It's Carter. He found us.
Target eliminated.
제압되어 버린 메이저. 그때 메이저가 다시 나타나고 마침내 제거되는 로봇. 쿠제는 제거되고 메이저를 구해주는 팀원들.
갔다 셔죠.
I thought that it might be you.
한카의 수장도 최후를 맞이하죠. 엄마와 재회하는 메이저. 메이저는 쿠제의 기억을 갖고 계속 요원으로 활동하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 공각기동대 고스트 인 더 쉘이었습니다. 먼 미래의 지구. 인구 급증으로 인해 식량과 식수 소비량, 화석 연료 사용량이 엄청나게 증가했고 인간은 식량 부족 문제를 해결하기 위해 유전자 변형 농작물들을 개발했죠. 이는 식량 부족 문제는 해결했지만 유전 결함을 지닌 다생아 출산 급증을 야기했고 정부에서는 이른바 아동 제한법이라는 1가구 1자녀법을 만들었죠. 더불어 시민들은 무조건 국가에서 발급한 팔찌를 차야 했고 다생아 아이들은 강제로 냉동 수명기에 들어갔죠. 그리고 그로부터 약 30년 전
We were better equipped, able to save her. Seen her the risks.
7 쌍둥이를 낳다가 사망한 딸의 아빠 테렌스는 직접 7 손녀를 키우기로 결심하죠.
There are 7. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
정부에게 무자비하게 끌려가는 아이들.
You always Saturday, Eddie said you threw up in the planter. What to say? I felt really embarrassed. Getting one of our clients tell us everything Saturday. So stupid. If we get this promotion, it's all thanks to Friday. It's a team effort.
You must work collectively. You're together, then you are alone.
이들은 어렸을 때부터 하루에 한 명씩 외출하는 생활을 엄격하게 이어오고 있었죠.
Starting outside on the day of the week that is your name. To be creative and express yourself. Outside of these walls, the singular identity, Karen Setman, named after your mother. Okay, we begin tomorrow. You ready to do this? Don't forget, you're the one and only Karen Setman. The most important part of your day. Every detail with your siblings.
매일 자신의 외출 기록을 서로에게 공유해온 이들.
Oh God, straight to a cryobag. Sleep isn't such a bad idea. The time you wake up, everyone you know and love will be gone. To sleep together, we wake up together. Why can't you just accept it's in a family? Repressive regime. Pick this life any more than you. Your only ambition was to be a witch you are. Fuck you, Monday. One day a week we can go out in the real world and we can't even be a fake person. Oh, shut up, both of you. You're driving us all crazy. This is our life.
당연히 이런 생활에 실증을 느끼는 멤버들이 있었고
You didn't see her leave. Don't have any idea.
I was just skating and I fell. I did.
Oh, Thursday.
Hey, Karen Setman. I wish I had never been born.
Enough. No.
What's that for?
Keep still. Happens to one of you, happens to you all. Set an example for your sisters.
한 명의 실수는 모두가 같이 떠안아야 했죠.
Someone's in a rush, huh?
Big day at work.
Is it a worse? I hate checkpoint duty. If I get to see you.
먼데이에게 추파를 던지는 요원 에드리안.
Karen?
Jerry.
Today's the big day. So you gets the promotion. Think I was all fooled, don't you?
동료 직원 제리가 의미심장한 말을 건네는데
Where the hell is she? Best located is all. Monday's never been late for an end-of-day meeting.
집에 돌아오지 않은 먼데이.
You gotta act as if everything is normal.
먼데이가 복귀하지 않은 채 튜스데이의 활동이 시작되고
She's through. So we got our promotion. Stay focused, Tuesday.
For your conference call.
Where did I go again?
Your favorite bar, Harry's.
승진의 기쁨을 누릴 새도 없이 먼데이의 뒤를 추적하는 튜스데이.
Cheers. Cheers. What time I left? One drink. You barely touched it. Yeah. You know that douchebag in the suspenders? Monday and Jerry argued just before she left the bar. He's on to us. Why aren't we listed?
그때 튜스데이가 위기에 처하고
Miss Setman.
결국 잡혀가는 튜스데이.
But that's weird. It's obviously been a mistake.
Miss Setman.
그런데 튜스데이를 잡아온 건 다름 아닌
Nicolette Cayman.
I know who you are. We can't just sit here. We gotta help her. We gotta go out there. Thursday.
그때 요원들이 들이닥치고
Nice and slow.
하지만 호락호락하게 당하고만 있을 쌍둥이들이 아니었죠. 그런데 총을 맞고만 썬데이.
I'm sorry. I don't know what I believe. I don't know who I am.
그렇게 7 쌍둥이의 첫 번째 희생자가 발생하죠.
Processed within hours. We have to keep this localized inside that apartment, and they know it.
We gotta get out of here now. What about us? They're gonna send more people. Go to Jerry's. Find out what he knows.
제리에게 향하는 웬즈데이.
Hello, Karen. Cutting it close. Do we have a deal?
What deal?
Pass on the promotion, and I keep my mouth shut.
You motherfucker! How long have you known?
You should be glad you found that contract.
What contract?
407C funds transfer.
Your contract with Cayman.
제리가 알고 있는 약점은 이들이 쌍둥이라는 사실이 아니었죠. 그때 제리가 저격당하고
Going in. Hold position.
놈들에게 역관광을 시전하는 웬즈데이.
Next left. There's a door. I need to get you on the roof. I can get you home from there.
그때 갑자기 에드리언이 이곳에 오고
Shit, it's the bureau. I got this.
New look?
Yeah, I wanted to try something new.
I called your. They said you were out sick.
갑자기 스킨십을 하는 에드리언.
Fuck is this guy? Give me a sec. I'll show you to distract them.
에드리언을 데리고 나가는 세터데이.
We're back. About time. The last door, southwest corner.
웬즈데이는 궁지에 몰리고
There's no way I can clear this. Only 2 ways out of this Wednesday.
You can make that jump.
결국 웬즈데이도 처참한 최후를 맞이하죠. 에드리언은 사실 먼데이와 사귀는 사이였고
Why would Karen Setman illegally transfer millions of euros into pain fund?
에드리언의 시계를 해킹한 세터데이의 도움으로 이들은 먼데이가 갇힌 CCTV를 확보하죠.
I think it's Monday.
There's this big event, Bureau tonight.
Why are you working for them? Don't you think it's wrong to be siblings?
Kids that we pick up, they live in really shitty condition. Trust me, we're doing them a favor. I just want to be with you every day, not just Monday.
So Monday's been seeing Adrian for months.
Cayman is holding her hostage.
Monday's alive? What are we gonna do?
We're gonna get through this. We're gonna get Monday out and show the world who Cayman really is.
그때 요원들이 세터데이의 앞에 나타나고 세터데이가 사망함과 동시에 공격당하는 본부.
Friday, what are you doing? Friday, what the fuck? Friday, get down, please. I synced everything to your bracelet. Go and get Monday. I love you.
결국 프라이데이는 자신을 희생해 덜스데이를 살리죠. 에드리언은 바로 현장으로 향하는데
Karen?
Don't move! You sold us up.
Karen? Jesus Christ, you're a sibling.
One of seven.
I love
모든 사실을 알게 된 에드리언.
Trust me, I love Karen.
If you love her, you gotta help me.
그렇게 에드리언은 덜스데이를 데리고 먼데이가 갇힌 장소로 향하죠. 그리고 드러나는 충격적인 진실. 이 장치는 냉동 수면기가 아닌 살인기기였죠. 놈들에게 눈을 적출당한 튜스데이.
Karen.
Tuesday. What happened to Monday?
한편 드디어 먼데이가 등장하고
Karen, how are you enjoying your stay?
More than comfortable.
How does it feel to be the one and only?
Take your wig off. When you get into the main server, starts in 15 minutes.
Let's go.
Let's take this bitch down.
덜스데이는 먼데이로 분장한 채 연설 현장으로 향하죠. 요원들의 접근을 저지하는 에드리언. 그때 먼데이가 나타나고
I'm impressed.
Sunday died in my arm. Wednesday fell to her death. Saturday was shot in the head. And Friday, I didn't plan this. I met Adrian and I fell in love. And things changed.
먼데이를 먼저 공격하는 덜스데이.
Critics may chastise our method, but the numbers don't lie.
마침내 총알이 발사되는데 연설 현장의 진실을 폭로하는 튜스데이. 최후의 승자는 바로 덜스데이였죠. 그때 먼데이가 살아있었고 요원에게 제압당하는 먼데이. 먼데이는 죽기 전 과거를 회상하죠.
I need you to be brave.
손녀들에게 가혹하게 대한 것을 남몰래 괴로워하고 있던 할아버지.
Promise me. Don't let them take them.
사실 먼데이는 에드리언의 아이들을 임신한 상태였죠.
has forced the repeal of the Child Allocation Act.
그렇게 먼데이의 아기들도 살아남고
What should I call you?
Karen Sepp.
수많은 다둥이 아기들도 살아남으며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 월요일이 사라졌다였습니다. 영상 재밌게 보셨나요? 영상 재밌으셨다면 구독과 좋아요 꼭 부탁드리고요. 짧은 리뷰 형식의 특성상 생략된 에피소드가 많으니 꼭 풀버전 감상을 추천드립니다. 그럼 저는 더 재밌는 영화로 돌아오겠습니다.